Okay, let's make some breakfast. I cut the bread like this. I took out the middle part and got some egg here, chopped spinach, and leftover tuna from yesterday. I got some light sliced cheese. This is Cole's one, and got the hot pan here. This is from Kmart. It's their non-stick fry pan, and literally I'm using this. And yeah, I'm making this for the first time, first try. Let's see. I just saw in a video yesterday, so I thought, why not, I should try this. So yeah, let's see how the outcome is. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Hello. Say hi. Now. Okay, bye. Okay, hi besties.
Did you say besties?
Yeah.
Say besties?
Yeah, because I just changed the intro very soon. So, you also, till now, I woke up 6 a.m. I did my workout. I shared some clips before, like I made my protein shake, and then like we got ready and I made that what do you call, I have got no idea about
It's called a TikTok bread.
yeah, it's something like that. Yeah, Isha's ready.
Should we do it after the day?
Yeah, we will. So we are going to do some shopping, and also I'm going to like post office. I have like some work has to be done for Edwin. So Edwin got his like job yesterday, like he was doing, but like yesterday, he'll do for every day now. He got his uniform, and like I'm literally excited. Yeah, so we have to like do some paperwork and stuff like that. So we are going to Cosmetic Plus or Lovisa to do their ear piercing or in nose. Like I have got no idea. I'm going to do some grocery shopping too.
Okay, so this shirt is from Shein. This bag, guest bag, is from Strand Bags. These shorts are from H&M, and these shoes are from Kmart. Oh, and these earrings are from
Lovisa.
Lovisa.
Yeah, so this is Isha's outfit of the day. Okay, that's Eliza's outfit of the day.
I always wear this because I don't know. I just look good.
She ends up wearing the same thing. So the top is from
Minton Moss, aka Ali.
Ellie Fashion, yeah, and the pants is from Ellie Fashion too. Shoes Kmart, and she has a Guess bag, and yeah,
Apple.
yeah. So
Stop flexing.
this is my outfit of the day. I'm taking my bag, which I got on my birthday. Like Isha is taking mine too. Like that was mine. You didn't even see my birthday vlog till now, so how will you know? So, so yeah, so that's my birthday gift. Okay, you all will see the blog soon, but like I'm doing the Vlogmas now, so yeah, that video will be late. So this bag is from Strand Bag, Guess bag, and this dress is from H&M, and shoes is of course from Kmart. I love it. Like it's such a cheap shoes, but like it's really nice. And this is a Fitbit watch, and I love my nails. So yeah, it's beautiful. And yeah, this is the outfit.
Hey, what about your
of the
earrings?
day.
Yeah, her earrings from Kmart.
I think it's from Kmart here. Yeah, this is my outfit. How was the breakfast?
Good.
Yeah.
It was good. Beep.
So,
So we're in Kmart first.
maybe we're supposed
So why back in Park?
to walk a little.
So you're trying to make that the dog?
I don't know if you see that, but there's a doggy in the car. Doggy. Rebel 15 gift card. Wow, look at these cards. PlayStation. Spotify Premium. 3 months. 36. Look at all of these cards. Oh my god. Look, PlayStation Store.
Ah.
I know. Oh my god. Oh my god, I would love to come my birthday next year.
What the hell?
Yes.
The iconic. Paper, paper, paper.
Be cool.
Textile. And
What is this? Crystal jar.
so cute.
It's
This is like
snack food.
bro, look at this. Oh. Wow. Oh, I was dropped it.
Wait, what is it?
It's squishy. And it's oh, sexy.
Oh, look at this.
And good
Look
stuff.
at this. Bestie. Oh my god, I just got stuck.
That's on your face.
Okay, Yon, she's older than me and I'm taller than her.
Older like a year.
Oh my god, we are cold. Let me get that.
Who put that there? I wonder who put that there.
Yeah, it totally wasn't me.
hope you liked our vlog till here. And girls were filming in Kmart and in Westfield. So I don't know what they filmed, but yeah, I'm going to edit after this. And I bought some things from Coles, like some groceries, just little bit. And yeah, I picked up some things, like literally I picked up only few, but my son picked up some things for himself. So some clothes, because whenever I go with him, like he never buys all the time, but like sometimes he buys. But like literally lots of things were on special in Kmart, but I didn't even buy. Yeah, we were rushing because whenever I go with my son, like I can't be inside the shop for long, okay, because he wants to just go out. I dropped him to work and then we are back home, and literally I'm going to end the vlog after doing the Kmart haul, okay? So I got some things here and I'm going to show you what it is. Okay, the first thing is I got this one. Literally it's so pretty. It's written here Everlast. See, it's beautiful. So this is the first one. I think I got another one, same, but this one is in size 12. So there was none available in size 8 or 10. I just got one. So this one is 12. Like literally it's good. It will be loose, but yeah, it's nice. So this one was $15, like it wasn't on sale. So yeah, it's Everlast. So this is a big size for my son. You also, he's literally big and he's trying to lose weight now. So as he has started walking, so he will be walking like every day now. So yeah, he will lose weight and he's not eating too much junk because he is not like staying home all the time. So yeah, he will lose weight, I know. So this is nice shorts. Oh my god, it was you. Okay, let's put this thing here. And the next thing, I don't know, like Edwin picked up all this. Wow, look at this. When did he buy this? This one is just a t-shirt. And the shorts was $15, t-shirt is $10. I like the design at the back. Yeah, we bought this from the activewear section. So he picked up this one. This is really big. It was $20 and it looks like this. They got a matching shorts with that and looks like this. He picked up this one, these shorts, and but yeah, I literally like this one. This is big. It is in size. Now it is in size XXL. So you can adjust. But like none was available, right? XL, so we bought XXL. It's really nice and I love the material. So this one was only $20 and literally like it. We got it from the sports section. So it's really nice. He likes it. So I thought, why not? I'll buy another one for him, the same two. So I bought two for him. This one is Star Wars. They had lots of like this Star Wars, Spider-Man, and what else was there? Elvis, and like lots of these types of t-shirts was there. So yeah, this is just a simple Star Wars. I don't know why he bought this one. When he saw this one, like, oh my gosh, he got so excited. He tried to find a size. So.
That's the Yoda.
Huh?
That's the Yoda.
Why he likes this one? He loves him. This is from Harry Potter.
No, Star Wars.
Oh, Star Wars. Yeah, I don't even watch all this. So. And the last one I got is for hubby, because whenever we go to do shopping, he will always ask where is my thing. So I got him this one. Edwin said he will like this one. So it's Elvis t-shirt. There was lots available there, so got this one. It's pretty and it's written here too, so he will like it. I think this is it. Oh, got one more thing from Kmart. This is this. Okay, I have said like yesterday and today that I'm going to like pierce their ears. Like we'll do the ear piercing today. We thought, but like we couldn't do it because like when I went to drop Edwin, I had to wait there because it wasn't like 12. I had lots of groceries in my trunk. We'll go like tomorrow after dropping Edwin to walk, and we'll go and we'll try to see where we are doing the piercing. Like we'll go and try in Lovisa, and also Cosmetic Plus is doing too, because like I had done in Cosmetic Plus, but I have never been to Lovisa. But yeah, I will go to Lovisa maybe first and then Cosmetic Plus. I've got no idea, but we'll see in tomorrow's vlog. Okay, so I have to do so much work now because like doing Vlogmas is not easy. Doing daily vlogs is not easy. Okay, all the creators here on YouTube only will understand how hard it is to do daily vlogs, and especially Vlogmas. Like you have to like film and edit and post same day. Okay, so it's not easy. So it's almost like 10 to 1 now. So yeah, I'm going to go and end the vlog here. I have to do so much work. My house is a mess, like literally. I'm going to like start Vlogmas tomorrow 11 a.m. because like whenever I wake up I have to do my workout too. Like I did miss few days, then I started today, so I did my workout early morning. Then like doing Vlogmas is not easy. So yeah, you all take care. Thanks so much for watching, and do subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and also follow us around social media. Links are below in the description box, and until next time, bye.